All right, what's up, good people? Today is an exciting day. It is the unveiling of a three-part process. This is DJ One Love, D-Cam.
You're not in the camera.
I am in the camera. I ain't in the camera now.
Yeah, you ain't now.
Yeah. All right. So today is a special day. It's the unveiling. So we got all Numark products. We started off with the Numark Mix Deck Express, thinking that it was going to be compatible with Virtual DJ. It was not. It's a Serato controller. So we used it a couple of times, tried to sell it. We're gonna keep it. We're gonna put it to Numark. Numark. We're gonna put it with Serato and get it going. Then we bought this. This has been Old Faithful. It's a little bitty baby Numark, but it does the job. And I love you. This little mixer right here is a good mixer. Does the job. What? Yes, I kissed my mixer. My friend. But today we got the big daddy of them all. The NS7III Numark Big Daddy mixer. Yes. Woo. I didn't mean to do that, but.
You tear it up, and that's it. On the wings, that's it.
It is, baby. NS7III.
I'm gonna take it out the class.
Take it out a second. The big daddy of them all.
It's Christmas.
Christmas. Woo! Look at that baby. It is beautiful. Look at those platters. Oh, now that's a board. That is a DJ controller right there. Extraordinaire. All right. I think I'm going to have to lift it right on out. Let's see. What's the best way to get this thing out of here? I don't know what to do.
I can tell you what to do, honey. This is what you do.
That is sweet. Do those things come out? Smart. Oh.
It's heavy. Right?
Woo. Yeah, baby. This is the NS7III, and I liked it so much.
Where's the case?
We ordered the case. The case is on back order.
Oh.
And we got it from.
Don't tear that. Don't tear it off.
Okay.
You need them.
So we got the controller itself from the DJ Hookup, and their motto is that they sell DJ equipment to your friends. And I just became one of their friends. Oh, this thing is heavy. Yeah, baby. Feel like a LL Cool J. I want to put it on a necklace. Be like, D Nice. My name is D Nice. My name is D Nice. My name is D Nice. Take it, not your suckers that you don't know
your
how.
name is DJ One Love.
I know, baby. Just a song. It's reference to a song.
I know.
So this is it, y'all. The NS7III. It comes with monitors. And the monitors go on the back of it. And
Ma, come here. Okay.
what she say?
She got a tea bag on her eyeball.
Oh, well, that's not sexy, but
Okay.
we'll talk to Mama later. So that's the monitors that go with it. Oh, that bag looks pretty. Turntable. That's so silly. So now we ready to rock and roll. All right, good people, that's it. DJ One Love. Coming
You
to
all
you.
out of breath?
That thing heavy, man. Coming to you at a party near you. About to get my scratch on. My DJ on. Why you laughing? Why you laughing?
I'm happy for you, baby. I am. I'm proud of you. Look at you.
Why you laughing?
I ain't laughing.
Yeah, you is laughing. You be laughing.
I got you.
You be laughing. All right, I'll see y'all in a minute. DJ One Love. Peace. This is the joint. All right.